Hi, welcome. Let me explain to you what I did for my Arduino project. So here you have a typical quadcopter. You got four arms, four propellers, four motors. Throughout the video, the orange will represent the front, and I have created a system in which we are trying to avoid crashing from the front. So you can see down below that I have attached an Arduino, a breadboard, some LED light bars here, more of an LED bar, a front sensor, ultrasonic sensor, reading the distance in terms of a voltage, and then this last piece is a Bluetooth module HC5. So, brief overview of how this works. The sensor will read a distance. If that distance is within some certain range, then we'll get a printout on our LED of how close it is, a short blinking pulse tells us that it is super close to the sensor and the drone, and the pilot should stop. As well as the Arduino will send a signal from here to the pilot at the remote control level, and if it is close enough, a vibration motor will be activated. So on the remote control, we have our Arduino, our Bluetooth module that is connected to the one above, and then a small coin-sized vibrator on the side there, sticking to the side, so that when we receive a signal, we can it'll pulsate, and then if it gets really close, it'll just be a constant vibration, telling the pilot to stop. So unfortunately, you can't really physically see anything happening with the vibration motor because it's stationary. You're just gonna have to trust my word that it is vibrating when it gets close, but we'll demo the LED light bar and show each operation mode that it's in.